again, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you all. You're very welcome aboard this British Airways operated service to London Gatwick. I'd just like to take a moment of your time to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back any of our executive club members and our One World frequent flyers travelling with us this evening. My name is Chris Craig, and I have the absolute pleasure of being your customer service manager on this flight to Gatwick. Very shortly we'll be commencing with our onboard service. If you're sitting in Club Europe, Sharon and I will be offering all customers a complimentary drink and a full-course meal. And if you are sitting in our Euro Traveller cabin this evening, my colleagues will be offering all customers the opportunity to make a purchase from our Marks & Spencer onboard food and beverage magazine, which you can find in the seat pockets in front of you. You'll also find one of our Highlight Shop magazines there, if you'd like to do any last-minute duty-free shopping. This will be available to you till approximately 25 to 30 minutes before landing into Gatwick. Well, just a little bit of health and safety, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure that many of you are frequent flyers, and you've heard it all before, but please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain switches the seatbelt signs off. We do recommend that throughout the service that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened, just so that you've got some added protection from any unexpected lumps and bumps along the way to London Gatwick, but they really must be securely fastened whenever the signs are on. And smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted at any time whilst on board. No smoking signs are located above your head beside the seatbelt signs, but they'll remain illuminated for the remainder of this flight. And finally, will you please also take care when opening overhead lockers when it's safe to do so, as things tend to move during takeoff and something might fall out and injure you or somebody else. Very shortly I'll be passing through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. If the UK is your final destination and you don't hold a valid UK or European passport, then you must fill in one of these landing cards. However, if you are in direct transit to another international destination directly from London Gatwick this evening, and your luggage has been checked through to your final destination, you won't have to complete one of these. Well, I really do hope that you enjoy this service with us this evening, but if there is anything that I or one of my colleagues can do to make it more enjoyable, then please let us know. That's enough from me, you'll be glad to know. I'll speak to you later on in the flight. Please do enjoy our service, thank you.